Hi, I'm Cathy from Children's Corner, and we've come up with a cute idea to trim a ruffle sleeve with a contrasting fabric. This will work on any ruffle sleeve that you end up folding in half before you insert it. So that would be April and Ava and Harper. This would also work on. Here is your Piper ruffle sleeve pattern piece. We're going to cut out of our Piper bubble fabric the sleeve. Then with a marking pencil, I'm going to measure and put a line down the center of the sleeve. Then I'm going to measure over 1/4 of an inch both ways and make another mark so that you can see well. And then I'm going to cut on the 2 outer lines. So in other words, I'm cutting the middle out of it. The reason I'm doing this is so the sleeve will end up being the exact same depth as the pattern designer called for. Then I'm going to tear a piece 1 inch wide off the end of a bolt of fabric. Doesn't have to be bias or anything like that. Then I'm going to set this piece into my sleeve with a 1/4 inch seam on both of the lines that I cut on originally. It will look like this when it's finished, and it's ready to be pressed in half. And the gathering threads put in down here, and you'll be ready to insert it in your Piper bubble.